Hi friends, I'm Mohan and today we are unboxing video of the OPPO A5. So let's get started. Before opening the box, so this phone comes with 5.2-inch IPS LCD display and has 30 megapixel plus 2 megapixel rear camera with LED flash and 8 megapixel with screen flash. So this phone comes with 4GB RAM, 32 or 64GB ROM and has Qualcomm Snapdragon and 1.8 GHz octa-core processor and GPU is Adreno 506. So this phone has 156.2 into 75.6 into 8.2 millimeter. So this phone has three colors, that is blue, pink and red. This phone was launched on July 2018 last year and a price between 11,000 in 32GB and 15,000 in 64GB. So let's open the box. And what's inside the box? So you have the quick start guide and the warranty card, and also you have the plastic covers. So here is the phone itself. So let's turn on the phone. And I'm going to later on and what's inside the box. And we have the fast charger, and not the fast charger because it is the standard charger, and we have the micro USB cable, not type C. So not in the box. So here's the phone. So and some uninstalled apps, that is the Amazon, Web Novel, Set, and Daily Hertz, and Paytm, and SEP, Paytm, UC browser, Facebook, and no more. So camera, so if camera is good, so and let's see the Android. Oreo. So that is the 8.1. This phone is running. You can see this one. And let's compare this phone. So this is my
Honor CORALW. So it's the difference is here. And here so this both Honor and OPPO A9 has same knots. So this knot is but slightly defined. And this one.
Honor CORALW has USB Type-C, while OPPO A5 has micro USB. OPPO A5 has running on ColorOS 5.1, while Huwaei Honor CORALW has running on EMEI 8.1. So let's go to the another phone.
So this is my Samsung A9. So and this A9 is running on Pi, and OPPO A5 is running on Oreo, that is 8.1. So let's see this.
OPPO A5 is running on ColorOS 5.1, while Samsung A9 is running on One UI.
So this is defines here. And A9 does not have knots, and OPPO A5 has knots, but not water drop.
So that's it for this video. I hope you like it, comment it and share it, and please subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to follow me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. So that's all. Thanks for watching and see you next video.